And one of the big benefits of Shopify is you can choose from a ton of different free and paid themes. This is going to make it so your website will look beautiful. It's also the easiest e-commerce platform to set up. In fact, you can create an online store using Shopify in just 4 minutes. I did a video on this YouTube channel showing you exactly how to do that I'll link down below in the description. Another pro of Shopify is that I actually have a free 14-day trial that you can use to try out Shopify before you buy it. There's a link to that down below in the description as well. And when you use the link down below, you also get a free SSL certificate, and an SSL certificate will make sure that your website is secure so that you can accept credit card payments. Another pro of Shopify is they have a ton of apps, plugins, and integration. So whatever you want your website to do, there's probably already an app or a plugin out there that can help you to do exactly that. Back in the old days, when someone would have an e-commerce store, you'd actually have to hire a developer to custom design certain elements of your website. But because Shopify has so many apps, so many plugins, you don't need to hire a developer 9 times out of 10. You can just go to their app store and use one of the existing solutions. However, the biggest con for Shopify is it's kind of expensive, starting at $29 a month for the most basic plan and going up from there. On top of that, if you want to use apps, plugins, or different integrations, you're going to have to pay even more money for those features. Another con with Shopify is there's limited customization for the product page and the checkout page.